It's actually A3.
Robbed. They were robbed.
I agree. What is up, everybody? We are back with another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. I am your host, Rashid Kareem Shatty, and I am here on the campus of UCLA. In honor of Black Panther 2 releasing soon, I'm here to ask some of these students some questions about the new Black Panther movie, as well as the original. So I'd imagine there's some film buffs walking this campus. Let's see if they know anything about Black Panther. What is your name and where are you from?
I'm Kat. I'm from Walnut Creek, California.
Jess and Los Angeles.
My name is Darnell Grant, and I'm from Fort Lauderdale, Florida.
I'm Shreya. I'm from Sacramento, California.
You feeling confident?
No.
You guys are self-proclaimed movie buffs, I believe, right? If I'm not mistaken.
We have Letterboxd. Yeah.
You've seen the original Black Panther, correct? Right?
Yes.
Now you're going to be seeing the new one.
We just saw this ad for it. It looks really good, so maybe.
Black Panther was the first superhero movie nominated for Best Picture. It didn't win that, but how many Oscars did it win? A, 3, B, 4, or C, 5?
I don't know, Shreya. What do you think? I feel like we go like in the middle. Yeah, I think.
Let's say 4.
B.
I'm going to go with 3. A.
You are correct. You're the first person to get that one right.
Yes.
It's actually A3.
Robbed. They were robbed.
This is a bonus question. This one doesn't count towards your 3. But do you have any idea which 3 categories it won in?
Best costume.
Oh, yep, 1 for 1.
Best soundtrack?
2 for 2.
Oh, man. Gosh. Cinematography?
That's a good one. It was production design, but
Yeah.
Number 2. Black Panther takes place mostly in the fictional country of Wakanda, but it begins and ends in a real American city. Which city is this? A, Atlanta, B, Chicago, or C, Oakland?
Oh, C, Oakland.
I think it's Oakland.
Which city is this?
Oakland.
Oh, didn't even need the...
Easy money. Easy money. Oakland. Come on now.
Come on.
Come on.
Oakland is the home for the prologue and the final scene of the movie. It's the town where the film's director, Ryan Coogler, grew up, and where he set his first movie, Fruitville Station, which also starred Michael B. Jordan. Have you guys seen that one? I haven't either. It's a tearjerker, I hear. All the money. How you feeling? You feeling nervous? Any pressure?
I don't know, man. Knowing my luck, I'm probably not going to get it, so I'm going to see what happens.
You're a movie buff, though, man. You got the confidence. You've been just coming. You didn't even need the options for the second one. So I'm gonna be honest. If I'm a betting man, I'm betting on you to get this one.
Don't bet on me. don't. I know me, man. Hey, let's see what it is, man. I don't want to be too optimistic. I don't want to break my heart.
Our final question is a health question sponsored by Dherbs. In order to gain supernatural abilities, Black Panther consumes a heart-shaped herb. Which real-life medicinal herb is this inspired by? A, peyote, B, ayahuasca, or C, psilocybin?
Are these real drugs?
Oh, absolutely.
Oh, C, psilocybin.
Maybe B. It sounds cool.
Ayahuasca?
3 for 3, Darnell, you got the cash.
Really?
Oh, yeah. You swept it.
Is it actual cash, though? Like, is it...
Cold hard cash, 50 bones. Ayahuasca combines 2 plants in a traditional brew from South America that causes hallucinations and can have positive effects on different mental illnesses like PTSD. It doesn't actually give you superpowers, though.
Bummer.
You are officially street smart.
Man,
Appreciate you, man. Of course. Can we get a little... Let's go. Wakanda for...
Let's go.
I'm Shreya,
I'm Kat.
and we just played Street Smart.
Thank you, Dherbs.
Hey, I'm Jess Adams, and I just played the Street Smart Challenge with Dherbs, and I wasn't street smart.
Hi, guys. My name is Darnell. I just beat the Street Smart Challenge, and shout out to Dherbs.
All right, guys, that wraps up another episode of Street Smart with Rashid. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and tune in again next week for another episode.